Hey guys, well, I'm on a mission trip down to Nicaragua and we got the church built. All right, so what am I doing now, you ask? Well, something I really wanted to do but wasn't sure I was gonna get to. We're gonna go volcano sledding. Yeah! There's a little bit of an incline that you gotta climb up. You better like cardio, folks. Woo! Yeah! So my old man's with me here. He's 62 years old, but he looks 80 now for some reason. He's still breathing. We'll see how he is at the top. Might be riding him down the mountain. Also with me is my ugly brother. That's right, I'm the pretty one. These guys work hard, tip them well, yeah! Pretty windy! Bring it tight! Woo! Too fast for this! Well, y'all, we survived, even the old man. It was a lot of fun. Let's do it again sometime. See y'all next time. Woo!